Hey y'all, come on in. We are at the Kentucky Derby. It is Friday, May 1st. So today is officially the female horses racing. And so today is considered Kentucky Oaks. In just a bit, we're going to show you around what you can eat here and all the beautiful outfits. And it's my birthday! Woohoo!
Blue moon, blue moon, keep shining bright. Blue moon, keep on shining bright. She gonna bring me back my baby tonight. Blue moon, keep shining bright. I say blue moon, I'm Kentucky to keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. I say blue moon, I'm Kentucky to keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone.
Hey y'all, come on in. It is Kentucky Derby Day, May 2nd, this Saturday, the big day of races. Update on the food. I hate to talk negative, but it sucked. The website described our tickets as like lunch buffet, dinner buffet, but no, it was like chicken tenders, fried mozzarella sticks, french fries, hot dogs, things I'm not interested in. They did have chocolate covered strawberries, so I asked for the chocolate to be taken off so I at least could get something fresh. But otherwise, we have had a fabulous time with our friends and enjoying the whole experience. We come every year. I think in years past the food has been better. I don't know what the deal was this year, but we still made the best of it.
The sooner it closes, man, oh, friend of mine. All good things in all good time. Reach for the sun, catch hold of the moon. They're both too heavy, but what can you do? Reach for the stars, smack into the sky. Wanna live, but you're chicken to die. Ooh, you're chicken to die. Run, run, run for the roses. Quicker it opens, the sooner it closes. Man, oh, friend of mine. All good things in all good time. Run for the money, caught short on the rate. Ideas, but the cash is all spent. The trouble with love is it's on the face. You just want the cup, but you don't want the race. No, you don't want the race. Run, run, run for the roses. Quicker it opens, the sooner it closes. Man,